I will talk about how can you add your interest on your app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways that it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down here, you click here on this sign down here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to next here. It's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do next, you will find here your customize your event. Click here on add. So then it's going to take you to this list here. So then here can you add your interest in this list here on your app. So here can you select it. That's all you have to do. That's all. I wish you I get it. That's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe. So that's all. Thank you for your watching.